I felt like I fainted from fear. Tonight, a man describes the moment his life changed forever. Good evening and welcome to News 2 Now at 10. I'm Bob Mueller. When this tornado tore across Davidson County, it bulldozed through homes on Nesbitt Lane in Madison, taking 3 lives with it. 37-year-old Joseph Dalton, 31-year-old Floridima Perez, and her 2-year-old son, Anthony, all died. News 2's My Owens spoke with the husband and father tonight as he navigates the impossible just 5 months after coming to America.
I saw that all was normal, clear. I didn't think something big was about to happen.
Just 4 days ago, Felipe Mendez's life was forever impacted when a tornado barreled through the Madison area.
We didn't feel anything when we heard the boom.
That sound striking through their mobile home when the wind picked up a neighbor's trailer. The Mendez's home ended up underneath it.
I felt like I fainted from fear. I fell, and when I looked up, it was dark, and I was under the trailer. In between 2 pieces of wood, I was able to escape.
He doesn't remember a lot of details from that night, but the sounds of his children screaming ring in his ear.
When I heard my kids yelling, asking for help, "Dad, where are you? Help us get out of here." But I wasn't able to get out. I was trapped too, I told them.
As the storm tore through their home, his wife, Floridima, grabbed their 2-year-old son, Anthony, shielding him from the debris.
When the storm came, she grabbed the baby and she fell with him.
Then a quick moment of silence, signaling to his other children something was wrong.
And Mom, I said, she's here sleeping and didn't want to wake up.
Floridima and Anthony had died. He's now leaning on faith to carry them through.
God knows the plan, the purpose.
My Owens, News 2.